Right, whiteboard pens are glue sticks.
What, as in what I'd like more of?
Yeah, what do you desire?
Whiteboard pens.
What makes the hairs on your arms stand up?
Oh, they just don't last, do they, whiteboard pens? The glue sticks we've got at school as well are rubbish. They don't stick anything down. You may as well lick the back of the paper.
Yeah.
So
like
whiteboard
whiteboard pens. Yeah. I think you get more out of whiteboard. Like, there's more satisfaction in a whiteboard pen, isn't there? Especially the fresh ones.
Like, get your whiteboards out. No, my pen doesn't work. I'm like, geez, like, what again?
The reason why half the pens don't work is because when you're giving the kind of instructions at the start, half of them are colouring their full whiteboard in their whiteboard pen, and then about a minute later, when they've wiped it off, they go, "Don't work."
Yeah,
there's a reason for that. You know, look at the state of you.
It's bad when your whiteboard pens actually clean the whiteboard. You know, when they're that much out of ink, they actually clean the whiteboard. But I think that's up there as one of the best jobs in class, handing out the whiteboards, because you've never got a set of perfect whiteboards. Some are decent, some are terrible.
Yeah, you're right.
Some have Sharpie on it, and then if you're in charge, you've got the ultimate power in that class, because it's like you're eyeing up your pal. You can have one of the good ones.
You can have a clean one. Yeah. That is true.
The person who walked past to assembly who didn't thank you when you were opening the door, because for some reason that gets on kids' nerves, doesn't it? Like, because they're like, Mr. P, they didn't say thank you. And you're like, right, it's fine. Get used to it. Most people don't. Most people don't. And then they get the rubbish one. They get the rubbish whiteboards. It's definitely it's up there as a huge sort of flex